Assalamualaikum everyone. Today our video class is on English. Today we are going to study a poem that is Once I Saw a Little Bird. In this lesson, the boy is telling us once he saw a little bird. So what he did after he saw the little bird, this poem will explain. First I'll once read the poem, then I'll explain you. Just listen to me carefully. Once I saw a little bird, come hop, hop, hop. So I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? And was going to the window to say, how do you do? But he shook his tail, his little tail, and far away he flew. So this is the poem about the little bird. Once a boy saw a little bird. Once I saw a little bird. What the boy is telling here? Once the boy saw a little bird. So what it was doing? Come hop, hop, hop. What the boy was doing? Once he saw a little, that is a small bird. What the bird was doing? Come hop, hop, hop. That is jump. The bird was jumping and coming towards the window of the boy's house. So I cried, little bird. So what that boy did? The boy want to call that little bird. Will you stop, stop, stop? So the boy is calling the little bird and asking that bird to stop. And was going to the window. So the bird was sitting near the window of the boy. So what did the boy did? The boy went to the window to say, how do you do? So the boy went to the window to ask the bird, to say the bird, hello, how are you? How do you do is nothing but a kind of greeting. How do you do is nothing but a kind of greeting. The boy want to say hello, how do you do for that bird. But what happened? But he shook his tail. But as the boy went to the window, what happened? The bird shook its tail and flew away. But he shook his little tail and far away he flew. The bird cannot be caught by the boy. So once I saw a little bird, once I saw the little bird, come hop, hop, hop. The little bird was jumping and coming toward the window of the boy. So I cried, little bird, will you stop, stop, stop? So the boy started calling the bird to stop. But what happened? And was going to the window to say, how do you do? The boy went to the window where the bird was sitting and want to say, how do you do? But what happened? The bird shook its tail and far away it flew. So this is the poem, children. What did the boy saw? Tell me, what did the boy saw once? The boy saw a little bird. What the bird was doing? The bird was jumping, that is hopping. What the boy was doing? Bird was doing? Hop. Hop is nothing but to jump. So what the boy told to the bird? The boy said the bird to stop. Did the bird stop? The boy went to the window and what did the boy want to say to the bird? The boy want to say, how do you do? But was the boy able to say that? No, he was not able to say. Seeing the boy coming towards the window, what the bird did? The bird shook its tail and flew away. But he shook its tail, little tail, and far away he flew. What did the bird do? It shook its tail and flew away. So this is about the poem, Once I Saw a Little Bird. It is nothing but how the boy felt when he saw the little bird. Is it clear, children? Okay, thank you.